Welcome to the course on knowing the Brunei Darussalam Accounting Standards for BDAS 16 Related Party Disclosures. My name is Fatin from Dynamic Technologies and I will be your vocal guide for today. A related party transaction is defined as a business deal or arrangement between two parties who are joined by a special relationship prior to the deal. So what would be deemed a related party transaction? Let's take, for example, a business transactions between a major shareholder and a company, such as purchases or sales of goods, purchases or sales of property and other assets, rendering or receiving of services, leases, transfers of research and development, transfers under finance arrangements which include loans and equity contributions in cash or in kind, provision of guarantees or collateral, and lastly, settlement of liabilities on behalf of the entity or by the entity on behalf of another party. An example on the BDAS 16 is to record purchase of a double commercial shop house, where, for example, Power Sendirian Berhad purchased a double commercial shop house from Alibon, which is a major shareholder of Power Sendirian Berhad, at $500,000. Accounting entries will be debit the property and credit the cash with the amount of $500,000. This transaction can be recorded in BDAS 3 under Property, Plant and Equipment, which is a vendor bill transaction. Users should note that this transaction should deem a related party transaction and disclosure notes to financial statement. Users are also able to annotate their disclosure notes in the balance sheet. If you need more help guidance or a demo on how to get started, we will be more than pleased to assist you. You may contact us with the following details as shown. Thank you for watching the training video for BDAS 16, Related Party Disclosures.